मैं अकेला ही चला था जानवे मंजिल, लोग आते गए कारवां बनता गया. Good morning to all of you. Hi, this is Babu, founder of English Aura Institute, and I have been training students for 5 years, but now I would like to train you people. If you want to speak fluently and develop your personality, you are in the right place. And I am gonna make you speak right here. So, English speaking is not a big deal. You know, nowadays there are many trainers, they are training. There are many platforms by using them. By using them, you can learn English. But we are not teaching English. We are not teaching English. We teach confidence. We teach how to speak confidently. We teach how to perform on the stage. We teach how to grab audience attention. That's what English Aura promised to you. That's what. So you should come, and I must welcome you all. Right? Thank you very much for clicking this video.